Hi and welcome back to this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into the video. So today I am going to show you or teach you how to fix your car if your car parking multiplayer is lagging. So this error or this problem is basically it is the responsibility of the developer to prevent crashes from the car parking multiplayer, but it is not always because the app was poorly programmed or the developer is to blame. Ultimately, the app only works smoothly in combination with the operating system. So for example, it can be due to the iOS operating system for Apple devices and for the Android operating system for Android devices, which can cause crashes in some apps. So therefore, it is always recommended to take this following basic measures to avoid crashes. So first, what you can do is to install the latest iOS or Android version. Make sure that you are installing the updated version of those depends on your device, depending on your device. And then next, what you can do is to check the car parking multiplayer for updates and update it if necessary. And then you can restart smartphone or tablet completely to refresh the app or your device. And then lastly, what you can do is to uninstall and reinstall the car parking multiplayer. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.